hindi natin alam na she had that much talent backing her up.
Absolutely
Diba?
not.
Sabi nga nila sa Pilipinas Got Talent, expect the unexpected.
Unexpected, that's right.
At eto naman ang susunod na sasabak.
Naririnig mo na.
Yes.
Pangklase yan, ha?
Isa sa mga contestant natin na talagang gumulat at talagang pinag-usapan. Since the auditions, grabe na raw ang dinami ng kanilang fans.
Ang fans nila, Luluboy, ay pangalan ay Ezralites.
Ezralites.
Ay may chapter sa iba't ibang parte ng Pilipinas. Bakit naman hindi? Billy Lights, pwede?
Pwede.
Of course, that definitely made us feel wonderful and that audition night, diba?
And tonight, they will be the last to perform, the Ezra Band. Let's watch this.
Marami na kayong fans. You made us feel wonderful tonight.
This is definitely extraordinary.
At first po, kailan ko joke lang. Sabi nila na si Norda yung magkikipo. Pagtigo, ala, ang galing.
If you have faith in God, kayang kamitin ang anumang bagay.
Ang definition po ng Ezra, ibig sabihin po is God helps. Even in the most difficult moment of your life, kaya pong i-twist ni God yun. It's a very meaningful and wonderful life.
I'm sure everyone is excited, Billy Boy. Naririnig natin, nagsisigawan ng mga tao dito sa loob ng AFP.
The Ezralites are going crazy as usual, as you can tell. Look at that. Ibang klase talaga.
Exactly.
Luis, when you first heard them perform, di ba? As Miss Chris, she wanted to handle the group. Ano yung first impression mo when you heard it?
You know, I didn't expect that they would have that much of a smooth performance, and I was completely blown away when I saw the performance of the Ezra Band.
That's right.
But of course, is everything set?
Everything's good.
Sila lang ang tanging acoustic band na nakapasok sa ating semifinals.
At ang tanging message nila, don't stop believing. Philippines, let's continue believing with Nor, Jester, John, and Kay. Give it up for Davao's pride, the Ezra Band!
Oceans apart, day after day, and I slowly go insane. I hear your voice on the line, but it doesn't stop the pain. If I see you next to never, how can we sing forever? Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, oh how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. I wonder how we can survive this romance. In the end, when I'm with you, I'll take a chance. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, oh how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you.
The Ezra Band.
Ang lamig-lamig.
Guys, dito tayo sa harap. Come on, baba tayo everyone. Bro,
Magklase ka, ang lamig ng boses.
Billy Boy, ako I must say, I'm a fan.
I am a fan as well.
I'm a fan of the Ezra Band. Pero marami nagtatanong kung saan niyo ba nakuha yung pangalang Ezra. Bakit yun ang ginamit niyo for the band? Can you please explain? Yes.
Good evening po. Ezra Band po, ang meaning po ng Ezra Band, God helps po. Pero galing po kami sa isang company, Ezra Consul and Management Services po.
So parang pinick up nyo na lang yung pangalan?
Yes po.
Okay.
Pero hindi na po kami under doon.
Yun na yung pangalan ng company that you used to work for. Okay.
Ezra Band. Judges?
Uy, dapat magpasalamat sa inyo yung kumpanya. Hanggang ngayon ba, meron pa yon yung Ezra? Oo, kasi papasikatin nyo yung kumpanya nila. Pero, ang cool-cool nyo ngayon. Simple. Ito yung tinatawag nating simple, pero rock.
Boss, ako na naman, sige, okay. Hindi, alam nyo, di ba, nag-volunteer ako na ako magpo-produce ng album ninyo. Pero nakapirma ata kayo sa ABS. Kasi di ba, give up ko Buzz, give up ko SNN, pero nararamdaman ko sa pagpo-produce ng album at mga concert nyo, yayaman ako.
At friendship.
Sure.
Meron silang fans.
Correct.
Ezra Lights.
Sandali, lahat ng fans nila, sandali The Ezra Lights, kailangan, huwag kayong magpatalo sa Jovetnatics.
At saka sa
Marky Holly.
Magandang laban yan. Magandang
laban.
Sir FMG, would you like to add anything for the Ezra Band? Quiet na po, quiet na po.
I don't know if it's the accompaniment, but hindi ko madinig yung accompaniment masyado, yung piano mo. Was that, what do you call that?
The keyboard.
The keyboard. What you sang very well. Mukhang, it's just the accompaniment. Medyo kulang, no? I knew you were looking at the keyboard player. So...
Can we give him a chance, boss? Patugtugin natin siya ng konti si keyboard. Konting-konti lang, kabiranggot kung pwede. Kasi I agree with you, nung simula wala, please. As in like
Go
yung
for it.
opening bars lang.
Same song?
Yes,
Yeah.
tugtugin mo lang kasi
Yung
hindi
keyboard
namin
lang.
narinig
Yung
yung
sa
simula.
simula lang, hindi nakapasok eh. Go for it.
Now that's what we call live television.
I'm a big fan of the Ezra Band.
So am I.
Okay, thank you.
Nor,
Thank you,
are
Nor.
unbelievable. A round of applause for Nor. Judges, okay na po?
Yes. Ayaw sabihin ni Friendship ang Nor.
Kasi magi kami.
Correct.
Well, kung gusto nyo sila ang kauna-unahang banda at kauna-unahang taga-Davao na makapasok sa Grand Finals, this is what you have to remember. PGT space Ezra. That's E-Z-R-A, Ezra.
Nako, ibang klase talaga. Siguradong excited na at hawak na mga Ezra Lights, di ba? Hawak din ang mga cellphones nyo. Okay, don't stop believing and remember, PGT space Ezra.
Ezra Band, thank you very much. We'll see you later on.
Thanks.
Thank you. Good luck. Galing. Unbelievable. Pero eto na, tapos na ang performance ng ating fourth batch of semi-finalists.
Time to pause for a short break, and when we return, we're gonna open the voting line, so stay tuned here on Pilipinas Got Talent.
How can we sing forever? Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here.
Vote Ezra Band. 331 for Globe, EM Sun Cellular, and Buy and Phone Extra subscribers, and 231 for Smart and Talk and Text subscribers. How to vote in bulk? Text PGT space bulk to 2366 for all networks. For online and international voting, just log on to PilipinasGotTalent.abs-cbn.com.